McGraw-Hill is excited to introduce our new grammar tutorial videos. Short and engaging, the tutorial videos are hosted by a diverse, inclusive cast of characters who provide clear explanations in English with examples of Spanish grammatical concepts.
And when there is more than one female person, you would say ellas. For more than one male person, you would say ellos. Make sense?
Yeah, but what if it's a mix of men and women?
In that case, we use ellos.
This grammar tutorial video series is available for students in our Connect ebooks with most introductory and intermediate Spanish titles.
What are some examples of things we all like? Nos gusta la pizza, ¿verdad? That's singular pizza, so it uses gusta. También nos gustan los tacos. We use gustan for that one because the tacos are plural.
They also come with assignable comprehension activities, giving instructors the ability to assess student progress on grammar. We are proud to offer over 70 new videos that span a wide variety of grammar points, including current topics such as some new ways of expressing gender in Spanish. Contact your representative to learn more.